Very important to get that crustacean that's very important to get that crustacean that's rust. Rust is not conductor to electricity. So very important as you're traveling as a nomad that you want to get them nice and polished. So this little tool, as you can see,
that does a good job.
Has a brush on the inside and a brush on the outside, male and female.
Aha.
You're the narrator.
Use this one, the boy one, and you put it in there and you do some scrubbing this way, scrub it, make it nice and shiny. See how shiny that is? And shiny,
it does look a lot better.
So that rust and that crustacean will not conduct electricity. So if you have a layer all the way around it, you go both directions. You want those nice heavy scrubs. Good connection. Right here. It looks great. Cap. Doesn't smell burnt. Smell that. This smells just like oil. You know the difference between burnt oil and fresh oil?
Yes, it smells horrible.
That's important. When you put this thing back on, you know, just don't set it on there.
You can also smell it too, like the transmission.
And you'll hear clicks.
Yeah.
That's when you stop.
And I need a cap for this. I didn't realize that didn't have a cap on it.
Yeah, you got to keep... I don't know if they do this for free for you over at the AutoZone or whatever. But this is unclips. This pulls out. Horrible.
Ooh. I just changed that in probably a year ago.
Oh, yeah.
Time to change it again?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So if your car can't breathe, you're going to go through a lot more gas.
I noticed I was getting slightly less gas mileage.
It'll get sluggish, especially at higher altitudes.
It was. So that could be part of the problem.
You know, when you're out here, these things sometimes are like a little bit of a puzzle. So see how I take the tension off that?
Yeah.
Don't try to force it in.
That little hole?
Yeah, that's the air inflow sensor.
Okay.
Okay. Once in a while, those things need to be cleaned out, and there's a little spray that you, when you're changing things out, you just spray it in. Now let me see. Yeah, actually, they look pretty clean, and it's right here. This is your number one right here, the easiest one to get to. So you just pop that off, and that goes to your computer. And then this thing comes out. New one goes in. It's a rubber boot. Don't go like this. Just, you know, this stuff is like you know, when you zone out and you're mowing the lawn or something, you just kind of take your time. As you're tightening this one down, do not come over and touch this metal. This is the hot side. Red means hot, black means negative. So as I'm tightening up this one, you just be very careful. Maybe even work with two hands. Use your finger to box it. And just make sure that you don't get anywhere near metal.
You shock your shit out of yourself.
You just shock it and scare the fuck out of you.
Set the alarm off.
Yeah. So
yeah, then I'll be laying there in the driveway with the alarm going off.
Even if you only do like a quarter turn or an eighth turn, see, don't bring it all the way down to here because you'll shock the fuck out of yourself and maybe even hurt your car.
Make sure it's tight. They're tight. All set. Let's see if it starts. Wow. Nice. Okay, so far so good.